all of whom chant death to America all the livelong day.
Canopy, and the entire group was weaving around the room.
While other people were chanting, "Burn, baby, burn," he was talking about
that
love.
ravishing chanters learning.
Chanting just stopped.
Sitting at my desk, sitting at my desk.
Now chanting Brazil, my
Yeah, she'd cup her hands over those seats and she'd chant by the hour.
People painted black, chanting, doing what men and women do.
Chanting strength. Le Rock.
Are burning. Amalda and Natalie.
Got 6 people hiding out in the town of what? 4 million people, all of whom chant death to America all the livelong day. You want to set up a movie in a week. You want to lie to...
The sheet, the sheet was like some great biblical canopy, and the entire group was weaving around the room and chanting. And then...
Praise, make love, not war. While other people were chanting, "Burn, baby, burn," he was talking about love and peace and understanding.
Light is that legendary star, that ravishing chanteuse learning.
I know I blew an eardrum earlier, but did all the chanting just stop? That can't be good.
0001, yes sir! Stranger after manager, sitting at my desk, sitting at my desk. Contract ready, ready to be signed.
Don't even think about it.
The score's still tied 1-1. The crowd here in East Fit now chanting Brazil must win, and here comes Brazil now, giving it everything they've got. It's this thing.
Oh, money pod me on.
Over the plants?
Yeah, she'd cup her hands over those seats and she'd chant by the hour. She grew the most beautiful wandos you ever saw, man.
And the espit seemed to fit what Aaron been telling us about people painted black, chanting, doing what men and women do.
But did you ever find any evidence to corroborate this?
Sir, perhaps together. The Mokhtar chanting strength. Le Rock, Turath. Le Rock, Turath. Le Rock, Turath.
Drop it! Our gorgeous chanteusses are burning. Amalda and Natalie. Deco, Detroit, Crawford.
He says he also knows of a secret chant. Whenever we're in trouble.
That every one of us should lay him to rest in peace. And after that, we'll sing, I'll chant a prayer.
I'm standing there if I was you.
For him to rest.
Don't let me lie here till I can't hear those people chant no more.
Legs around like this, then this thing here. You circle me, chanting, burning incense before we begin.
Weddings, baptisms, funerals, I know them back to front. I was a boy chanter.
Until you threw sounds.
What's the practice?
They chant Hugh.
Hugh?
And then they listen.
For what, a B?
Witchcraft, man. I seen that shit on Discovery Channel.
Cold-blooded! Fire in the rear cabin!
I've got a fire. Where is it? She's reporting it in the rear cabin.
My names sound like music, like a chant to some dark god. She's slippery with sweat.
Be the epitome of a very chic chanteuse. Peanuts.
I play the guitar in the middle of the night whenever I cannot sleep, and I meditate every morning, complete with chanting and burning incense. So if you've got to walk around, I'd appreciate a little tiptoeing.
Oh, to know something was wrong on the wedding night, when her family was dancing around my table chanting, "We will make him one of us."
Oh boy, I had a rough day.
I will sing and chant praises to the Lord. Amen.
Kill, nam myoho renge kyo. Nam myoho renge kyo.
If you're gonna chant, let us figure out what you're gonna chant for.
How about I get sprung from Portsmouth?
And in Australia, and they have one right here. That whole bunch. The parties with the singing and the flute and the chanting, those are espas or Sabbaths or whatever
don't get
they're called.
excited.
Mr. Drover, what is that chanting?
Elijah Margaret singing the cattle.
Regulatory precision.
So what does that mean exactly?
Well, we often see this type of repetitive chanting in children who have been exposed to trauma.
Whatever he was up to, I certainly can't see him chanting mumbo jumbo or trying to raise the dead.
The devil, Mrs. Telfer.
When protesters disguised as
waiters and kitchen staff unleashed a blizzard of symbolic chads from above, resulting in a momentary panic.